Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Binance user ID. Your user ID is a unique number assigned to your Binance account, essential for various platform interactions. Knowing where to find it can be very helpful, especially when dealing with customer support or setting up certain features. We will cover both the website and mobile app methods, so you can easily retrieve it no matter how you access Binance. To find your user ID on the Binance website, first, log into your account using your preferred web browser. Once logged in, move your mouse cursor over the small profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the page. A drop-down menu will appear, and you will see your unique user ID clearly displayed there. It's often near your email or username. You can easily copy it from this location if needed. If you are finding this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel for more useful guides. On another note, if you're looking to truly transform your financial perspective, I highly recommend the book *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It offers incredibly clear and actionable advice for building lasting financial security. Check the description below for a link to the book and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. If you are using the Binance mobile app, the process is just as straightforward. Open the Binance application on your smartphone and log into your account. Next, tap on the profile icon, which is typically found in the top left corner of the app's home screen. This will take you to your profile page, where your user ID will be prominently displayed near the top, often above your nickname or email.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.